Hello. In this video, we're going to cover importing and exporting FSLogix rulesets, Appmasking rulesets within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.9. In order to export and import these rulesets, find a host pool that has rulesets configured and choose the Applications and Installed Apps function. From here, you'll be presented with a list of FSLogix rulesets, and we can either export all rulesets, import all rulesets, or we can make a selection. So in this instance, I may just want to export my sales license ruleset. And I'm going to choose export ruleset here. And this file can be either exported as a JSON file, or handily, if you have another host pool to which you wish to apply this rule set, we can export this directly to that host pool and choose our destination. I'm going to choose the JSON file in this instance and click OK. Once downloaded, if I open the JSON file, I can see all of the configuration details for this rule, and if required, I can make changes to it before importing. If I was moving to a different environment, I could then import that rule set through the import option and choose my JSON file. Alternatively, I can perform the same action in reverse in regards to host pools, so I can choose a host pool and import the rule sets from an existing host pool and optionally choose to activate those imported rules as well. There may be, it may be that I want to validate and check them first, so I don't. This is an optional tick box. But if you're confident in the rule sets, then you can activate them at that point. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you again.